Hello everyone. Today we're breaking down everything we know about Shifting Gears Season 3, including renewal prospects, release timing, and what could happen next as the series continues to build its audience. Shifting Gears is a network sitcom starring Tim Allen, centered on family dynamics, generational clashes, and blue-collar humor set inside a classic car restoration shop. The show leans heavily into themes of tradition versus change, with comedy driven by clashes between old-school values and modern perspectives. Since its debut, the series has attracted a loyal audience, particularly among traditional broadcast viewers who enjoy character-based sitcoms with familiar emotional beats. Season 2 leaned further into family humor while sharpening the chemistry between the core cast. Storylines explore deeper personal conflicts, workplace mishaps, and evolving relationships, allowing the show to find a more confident tone compared to its first season. Viewers responded positively to the balance of heartfelt moments and straightforward comedy, which helped stabilize ratings across the season. As of now, Season 3 has not been officially announced by ABC. However, the network typically evaluates sitcom renewals during the spring based on a mix of live ratings, delayed viewing, and overall audience retention. Shifting Gears fits well into ABC's comedy brand, especially as the network looks to maintain shows that appeal to multi-generational viewers. If the series is renewed in spring 2026, production would likely follow a standard broadcast sitcom timeline, with writing beginning shortly after renewal and filming taking place over the summer. That schedule would position the show for a return during the fall television season. Based on ABC's usual programming strategy, fall 2026, most likely September or October, appears to be the most realistic release window for Shifting Gears Season 3. A short teaser or first look promo would typically arrive in late summer as part of ABC's fall lineup promotions. Until an official announcement is made, Season 3 remains unconfirmed, but steady performance and a clearly defined audience give Shifting Gears a solid chance of continuing.